Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel guys. This is your daily love tarot reading Pisces. So let us see what is coming up. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies guys and few cards for your love energies. We will turn the cards as we proceed into the reading guys. So these are for your love energies. So let us see what we have got for your daily energies. Two of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands in reverse. Pisces, the energy with these cards is that you are faced with some kind of decisions, some two new choices that has come up, and you are thinking between that what you need to take up, or it may be regarding your work situation. You may be pursuing two careers, maybe a second career is coming your way guys. That may also be the energy here. Maybe for some of you all, you are facing certain situations or certain people who are really jealous of you. They may try to deceive you in some way. You feel things may not go as it used to be guys, what you expect in your work. People may think of you as their rival because you are so good. Your skills and abilities, based on that, they are feeling jealous about how you handle things and how you do your work. So they are trying to oppose you, and they are trying to compete with your work. They want to undermine you, something like that guys. Generally I see here that they are jealous. This may relate to your work situation, or even in this relationship, the way you handle things, with the way you are really skilled in your profession and your personal life. This person you are with, they may feel some kind of happy competition with you. It may not be a jealous kind of feeling, something. They are competing, they are trying to be like you guys. That may be the energy here, Pisces. So let us see what is the air card for your love energies. Knight of Wands, the Emperor in reverse. Maybe in this relationship, you may feel that this person is immature because you are so skilled and you do the things in such a particular order. People are competing you. You feel this person is not like you. So you feel that they are not worthy enough. They may be immature, you feel, in the way they handle things or certain situations in their life. So you feel a certain kind of stress because of that you don't think of them the same way they think of you. They have admiration for you, but you feel they are not that. They don't have anything for you to admire about them. They are really immature. That is what you feel. Maybe for some of you all, you may be asking them to move in with you, or you may be traveling somewhere. You may want them to accompany you. That may be the energy here. Or you want them to come with you, but you are not sure about your decision, your plans, because you feel they are immature. So that may also be the energy here, Pisces. Let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, Pisces. What is the angels' guidance for us today, guys? I'll be picking one card. Face your challenges. So the angels are guiding us to have that courage and determination in our heart, guys, to face whatever that may come. So all our challenges or and conflicts are purely based on our thoughts, whatever we are thinking. So we need to have that strength to overcome all that, and we need to identify the areas that we need to work on. So we should see the challenges and conflicts, whatever is coming our way, as an opportunity to learn and grow, because life teaches us valuable lessons through the experiences we have, guys. And when we um, learn from the experiences, we learn to live life with courage and confidence. That is the reason that we face many challenges in our life, and that is the angel's guidance for us today, guys. So whatever challenges come our way, we should see it as an opportunity to learn. And that is the reading, Pisces. I hope you like this reading. If this reading resonated with you all, please like and comment. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.